Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I can't hardly speak. I'm so excited. I got this radio yesterday. Now, let me tell you the history, and it's kind of sad. I had received radios in the past from Retekess to review, and all the radios that I've gotten have been great radios. I hadn't heard from them in almost a year, and I'm like, well, let me see if they will send me this radio. So I was looking in my email folders for an email, the last email from them, so that I could get their email address. Well, I found it, and it was an email saying, "Do you want to review our latest radio?" I'm like, I missed this. I put this in this folder to go back to, and I never went back to it. Oh my gosh. I probably have lost the opportunity to review this radio. Well, I took that email and I replied to it and apologized for not replying when they first sent me the email and asked them if I could get this radio to review. And immediately they replied and said, sure, we'll send you one. We'll send you the latest version. So the one thing good about me forgetting is they've gone through a couple of different firmware updates to fix things, and I get the latest. Oh, that's so cool. So this is the TR113 radio. It's all band. I'm going to call it all band. It's FM, medium wave, short wave, long wave, weather band, air band, CB, all of the VHF, UHF range, all the way from 30 megahertz to a gigahertz. It's unbelievable. Whew. Yes, I'm excited. And even right now, it's another nice thing is it's on sale, 12% off. So it's normally $260, now it's $228, and there's a coupon for another 10% off. Oh my gosh. This is my early Christmas present. So I got this in yesterday, and I've been trying to learn how to use it because it has so many features and so many options. Whew. So I'm going to be doing many shows on this radio to show you all the features. Yes, I'm really excited about this radio. So far, all I've done this morning, I unboxed it, charged the battery, and I did a ATS, automatic tuning and storing, scan of the shortwave band using its internal telescopic antenna, which is about 38 inches, 3 feet on this radio. Wow. And I got would you believe I got 152 signals, of which about 30 were actually stations. Amazing. The scan was done at like 8 a.m. in the morning, which is a little late to be listening to shortwave. I'm sorry. I'm just overexcited. I think I'll calm down now and I'll bring this wild, crazy show to an end and get back to the radio. There's lots of learning, so much learning. There's all kinds of antenna features, different antennas. It comes with this antenna right here is medium wave antenna. Original ones did not, but now it comes with that. It's included. Wow. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to reviewing this for you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.